mustard fried barbecue rib tip. You're gonna need some mustard, black pepper, granulated garlic. This is some barbecue seasoning. Barbecue sauce from Locals. You can use any barbecue sauce you want. Pink sea salt, some Tony Cajun seasoning, and some granulated onion. And you got to marinate it in a gallon-sized bag for 24 hours or 48 hours. Okay? So let's jump right into it. Come in here with my seasoning. Let's come in here with the salt. A little bit, not a lot. Okay. Come in here with granulated onion. Probably about a teaspoon or tablespoon per side. I would say a teaspoon. Granulated garlic. Give it some flavor. Black pepper. Alright. And our Tonys. Alright. Put this out the way. Get some mustard. This will tenderize the pork. Alright, fam. I'm going to flip it over and do the same procedure. I'm going to go ahead and do this. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I did this side. Now what I'm going to start doing here is like cutting these up into bite sizes. Like so. But remember, they're rib tips. Just like this, we're going to fry these bad boys. I'm going to cut them in bite sizes like so. And I'm going to put this in the bag and let them marinate for 24 hours. And when they get done marinating for 24 hours, I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, this is how the bag looks right here. Alright. Just going to sit in the refrigerator. Alright. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. This is day 2. I told you 48 hours, 24 to 48 hours. I got 2 bags of flours right here. And I already tested it out and it turned out magnificent. My family loved it. I cooked like about 8 pieces of them. And they loved it. I just gave them samples. So anyway, in these flours, in this bag of flours, these are just regular flour. This one came from Hooters. I had some breading left over for the Hooters, and this is just regular flour right here. Ain't got no seasoning in it other than the Hooters. That one came with seasoning. Put these in the bag. You do want these to be room temperature, fam, so make sure they're room temperature. Just like so. All we're doing, fam. Put half in this bag and half in the other bag. And I'm going to shake them up and I'm going to let them sit in this bag for about 10 minutes. Just so they can be well coated. And that's all we're going to be doing. And we'll fry them up. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam. Here's my rib tips. They've been resting for about 15 minutes on this pan. We're going to take these to the deep fryer. See you guys in a minute. 350 degrees and peanut oil. The reason why this grease is so dark, I fried the turkey for Thanksgiving. And that peanut oil is not cheap at all. So yes, I'm going to use the same grease. No doubt about it. So we just finished doing this. And I'm let this cook for about 15 minutes. See you guys in a minute. Alright, here's the that's how that looks when it's done. Red tip, the fried mustard fried red tip. And we're gonna go ahead and toss that around up in some of this barbecue sauce. This is a local favorite right here. It's Loving Good, sweet and fiery barbecue sauce. Alright. And I'll be right back in a minute. This barbecue sauce on here. As much as you want on yours. That's about all I'm gonna need for mine. Then I could use this, swirl it around, and toss like so, like you do the barbecue. I mean, like you do the chicken. All right. Nice even coat. All right, that's how that looks. Alright, I'm going to go ahead. That do taste real good. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up and put it on the plate for the presentation. I'm cooking fries with this also. Don't miss out. See you in a minute. Okay, fam. I'm finally done with this mustard fried barbecue rib tips. Okay? Let me show you guys that up close. And then make some homemade fries. Alright guys, so if you like this recipe of this mustard fried rib tip, please, you already know the scoop, hit this bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen. Much love. Happy cooking.